This is Shalini from Akshara Global Academy. Today we are giving tips regarding OET reading section. So in reading section there are three parts, part A, B and C. So in A part you have to answer 20 questions in 15 minutes. So this is a task in part A. So first you will get a question like this. So this is the form of question you can see. Part A, so 4 extract is there. Extract A, extract B, extract C, extract D. So this is the way of question you will get in part A. So you have to first you have to skim and read. So you will get the 4 extract in part A, that is A, B, C and D. You can see. So first you have to skim and read for 1 to 2 minutes. Skim and read means fast reading. You have to fast reading in 1 to 2 minutes in all these extracts. So this is the first method of getting part A. Okay, then you can see the questions. So according to these 4 extracts, you can see the question 1 to 20. 1 to 20 questions you have to answer in 15 minutes. This is the task for part A. So first part A, you can see 1 to 7 is match the following answer. So in the first part A, they are asking consideration when treating children with iron deficiency. That means in which extract you can see the correct idea about this consideration or when treating children with iron deficiency anemia. So the extract, you can see the extract is iron deficiency anemia. So the extract A is discussing about the definition of iron deficiency anemia. Extract B is giving the information regarding treatment, and extract C is giving information regarding algorithm table, and extract D is giving information regarding the treatment, that means these medication details. So this is the way we will get an idea in which extract they are discussing about what, and they are giving the information about what. So this is why, this is how it is useful for in skim and read. So that's why I am telling that first you have to spend at least 1 or 2 minutes for skim and read. Skim and read means fast reading. Okay, then you have get an idea about in which extract they are discussing about what. So after that you have just to move forward the question. The first 1 to 7 question is, I told you, first 1 to 7 question is match the following question. That means if you have to find which extract is they are discussing. So first question is considering the treatment regarding iron deficiency anemia. So you can easily find that the treatment they are discussing in extract B. So you can directly write there B. The answer is B. Okay, this is the way of getting answers in 1 to 7. Next is from 8. Okay, so this is from 8 to 14 is short answer giving questions. Short answer questions. Okay, so 8th question I will read for you. What level of serum ferritin leads to a diagnosis of iron deficiency? This is the question they are asking in 8 number. Number 8 they are asking short answer question. So you have to search for that. So you have to search in 4 extract where you can get the idea about this treatment options regarding the diagnosis of this iron deficiency anemia. So you can easily find that it is it lacks early. It is like C part, C extract C you can see. So in the extract C you can easily find that this answer is less than 30. So you can find here. So this is a algorithm table. You can easily find the answer is here is putting this answer. So this is the way how you can easily get the extract from 8 to 14 question you can get. This is the short answer question. Okay. Next is 15 to 20 questions, that is fill in the blanks types. Fill in the blanks question. 15 to 20 question is fill in the blanks question. You have to find the answer from 4 extracts. This is the way how you can collect these answers. This is I am telling you. First question I will read for you. So they are asking, in comparison to breast milk and infant formula, cow's milk is dash. So you have to collect answer from the extract. You can see the 4 extract. I told you the 4 extract from where you can find these ideas. So easily you can see that the treatment of infants and the children in extract B. So we are discussing about the children treatment in a B extract only. So from there only you can collect the answers. So you can easily find the fill in the blanks from there. So this is how we can get easily answer from this extract. So I'm summarizing. So part A you have to answer 20 questions in 15 minutes. So this is the task for part A. So first 1 to 7 is match the following. So match the following means you have to find the answer in which extract they are giving information regarding the question. This is the match the following question. So this is 1 to 7 question. So next is 8 to 14 is short answer question. That means you have to find this answer shortly. You have to search the answer from these 4 extracts. So you have to write that answer short form. That means short answer questions. Then for 15 to 20 question you have to fill in the blanks. So the fill in the blank model question is 15 to 20 model 20 questions. So you have to complete that sentence. This is the style of part A. This is very easy. If you are practicing in a correct way, you can find definitely you can find these 20 questions. There is no doubt. Okay. So next is part B. So I will show you the part B. So 1 to 6 questions is part B. Okay. So this is the style of questions they are asking. That is, I will read for you. That is one question I will read for you. In this extract, so you can see one extract, short extract. This is the way of this part B. Okay. So from this extract you can find the answer. They will give you 3 options in part B. Okay. 6 question you have to answer for part B. 1 to 6 question for part B. So part B and C you have to complete within 45 minutes. This is the task for both part B and C. Okay. So this is the part B. You have to find the answer from this short extract. So you can see this short extract. So you can also see 3 options. So you have to collect from that 3 options from these extracts. So how you can collect these answers? First you have to read the question only. Okay. Then go for the paragraph. Okay. First read the question, not options. First you read question only, then read the paragraph, then again read question and options. Then some students can easily find as first time, some students not. So those who are not finding first time, then you have to again read this way. How? First you have to read question, then this paragraph, then again question and options. Then you can easily find, you can easily eliminate one of 3 options. So one option is false. Another 2 is, one is answer like and one is answer. You can easily find the answer. Okay, this is the way how you can select the answer for this part B. Okay. So I will read the question for part B. Okay, this is the code of product. The code of conduct applies to. This is the question they are asking. So that means it is not completed. So you have to write this answer where only you have to read this extract. So first you have to read that extract. This is how you can find the answer. Okay. So first you have to read the question, then go for the paragraph, then again read the question and then options. You can find easily from there. If not, again you can read first question, then paragraph, then question and options. Okay, you can easily eliminate one of the options and you can find the answer. So here the answer is C. You can find the answer from this extract. This is the way how you can collect answer from B part. Okay, the same way you can answer C. So the difference is for from B part is it has 4 options. This is the only difference from B part. Okay. So this is the style of this extract in C parts. They are giving 2 extract, extract 1 and extract 2. You have to answer or 2 extracts or both 2 extracts. This is the part C. Okay, so you can see the length of a paragraph. You can see part C. So this is part C. So you can also see the questions associated with this part extract 1. So this is extract 1, 2 pages. In this extract there is, you can see the 2 pages. This is page 1 and this is page 2. So according to this extract they are asking the questions. So they are asking 7 to the remaining questions. That means 7 to now it is showing 7 to 10. Okay, so 7 to 10 questions, 7 to 14, sorry, 7 to 14 questions they are asking. So first C part. So first you have to read the question only, not paragraph. First you have to read the question. Okay, so you have to read the question, then go for the paragraph. So they are, I will read the question for you. This is in the first paragraph. What points the writer makes about the treatment of depression? That means the answer is you can get from first paragraph. So you can move forward to first paragraph. Okay, first paragraph you can find the answer. So first you read the question, then go for the paragraph, then again read question and options. Okay, so you can find. If not, again you have to read, then question, then paragraph, again read question, options. Okay, you can easily find from there. This is the way how you can collect answer from C part. So C has 2 extracts and 4 options. Okay, this is the difference between B and C. B has 3 options but C has 4. B has 3 options, C has 4 options. This is the way how we can collect these answers from these. So some students are informing me that they are not getting answers from C these reading section, and they feel very difficulty, and we got very messages like that. So and that's why we are giving the video for how we can easily get answers from this part B and C, and how from this A part. Okay, so practice more and more. You can easily find the simple. This is a simple technique how we can easily find these answers and how we can easily get a required score. That means a B score in reading section. That is the way how I told you. You can practice it at your home, so you can get easily at a score of B. Okay, thank you.